Little Sunflower is an early intervention, emotional well-being and confidence-building program for children ages 7 to 10. Its aim is to teach children how to regulate their own emotions by developing a lifelong skill and maintain belief that they are different and special. In the 1950s and 60s, the average onset age for depression was 45 years. Currently, it stands at 14 years. 75% of mental health issues start before 18 years of age. The Little Sunflower Kit uses characters to introduce the concept of tapping, or EFT, an holistic and simple method for emotional regulation. It includes a teacher instructional pack of how to use Little Sunflower and how to tap. It introduces challenging scenarios using our cast of characters and shows how tapping can help a child cope with anxious situations. Using animation, picture books, and soft toys, it helps children to manage their own emotional state. Online resources also available at littlesunflower.co.uk. Little Sunflower Limited's mission is to build emotional well-being and confidence in children to sustain them through life. Children are the future. Let's give them a happy and balanced one.